I've just been in M&S and there was no Colin the Caterpillar cake jars left. I'm very upset about that because I really wanted to try one. But you know what, I thought instead of getting one, they're like £4 anyway, I'm just gonna make my own. So I'm going to show you what I've actually bought to make my own Colin the Caterpillar cake jar. Obviously I've got a jar, but I didn't buy this, I've just got it out of the cupboard at home. I bought an extremely chocolatey sponge roll because this is what I feel is the Colin the Caterpillar really. I think this is technically what the cake is in Colin the Caterpillar. And of course I got the Colin the Caterpillar mini faces. There's one of these on top of the cake jar, so I needed one of these. I got some chocolate chips and some Smarties and some chocolate sauce. I'm actually very excited to make this. I've actually got high expectations because I feel like I've done something here. I feel like this is quite a good idea if you can't get the Colin the cake jars because they're out of stock like me. So I've actually got like a picture of a Colin the cake jar and I'm going to try and make mine as close to that as possible. Are you ready to create this masterpiece?
No.
Are you ready to create this masterpiece?
Let's get it done.
I'm gonna start by putting in chocolate sauce because there's like quite a lot of chocolate sauce in the cake jars. And
nice.
see, that is basically what a Colin the Caterpillar looks like, but he just has a face and stuff.
Like with all the little sweets on it.
So this is gonna work because that's basically him. This is his insides.
Just into a jar.
And then, if I get that in there.
There we go. It's looking more like you actually see just layered all on top.
This is what I mean.
Just a layer in it now, aren't we?
I feel like it's a bit more shredded up, so I'm just gonna squish it in there a bit. I'm whacking in some chocolate chips. I'm gonna do some more sauce.
Yeah.
I feel like this might actually use the whole cake.
No, you won't need the whole cake for that.
I think we might for this jar.
Only probably about half. Probably use that extra bit more.
I don't know.
So that is going to be dry.
Don't know, because there's sauce in there.
Still.
Shall I go for some sauce?
Looks dry to me.
Rightio, we're getting full, aren't we? So I'm going to add more chocolate sauce.
See, you thought you'd need the whole thing. How tall that would be. Oh my god. That's all done with the sauce. Now,
to top it.
Time for Smarties.
To top it, I've got Smarties. Because there's like Smarties on the top of the Collins. What S might you make on a beach?
Sandcastle.
Oh my god, he's right.
Too good at this. Too good at them questions. Lovely.
Lovely placement of all the
There we go, you moved them about a bit, nice.
The finishing touch, Colin the Caterpillar mini faces. Because the cake jars have like one of these on top of it, so...
Oh my god. What does it need?
There he is.
To me, that looks more like a squirrel than a caterpillar.
Yeah, like Alvin and the Chipmunks.
Yeah, like a chipmunk.
Is that not as good as M&S, please? Thank you.
But how much did it cost you to make?
Probably about £4.
So realistically, either way, one or the other is just going to be the same, isn't it?
Me and Jake are going to try my version of the Colin the Caterpillar cake jar. Are you ready? Get us a spoon, boy. We did it. Shall we try some of this cake jar? Oh, I've got a big bit. I don't think I want the Smartie on it actually.
What's the point of putting them on it then if you don't want it?
Oh, it's going to make me crunch it weird.
So you've never had a Smartie before? It's just a bit of crunch.
I rate it, it's nice. Try a bit.
Too sickly for me.
Overall, I am pretty proud of my effort. It's basically the same. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it. I think it was very fun actually. Please remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you in my next one.